And during a recent interview, Salman said that for 20 days he had to do the fit bit, then he had to do the unfit bit, and then again he had to loosen his weight and then increase the weight and all, you know. And he said कि आमिर का अच्छा था, उसने तो 6 महीने में कर लिया. तो what do you want to say? बोला ये सब changes करना हलवा नहीं होता है.
He is absolutely right that it's very difficult to do that. It's very challenging, and I can understand because I've been through it, and I know he's been through it. So it's really something that is very challenging, and you know, hats off to what he's done here.
Amir, you just said that one of your trainer left you in between. I believe Rakesh. For Bhai. Did you not feel offended?
No. I didn't feel offended. No, because see, the thing is that I know that Rakesh regularly trains Salman, first of all. He regularly trains Salman and has been doing it for many years. So I'm actually a new person that Rakesh is training. So I don't feel that. And at the end of the day, that, you know, Salman is used to him, Salman trains with him, has been training with him for 10, 15 years, I don't know how many years. तो वो बात मैं समझता हूँ. और मैं अक्सर राकेश को बोलता हूँ, कभी कभी हमारा टाइमिंग क्लैश होगा, उसकी शूटिंग है, मेरी शूटिंग है, तो आप सलमान को प्रेफरेंस दो, मैं मैनेज कर लूँगा. That's my understanding with Rakesh also, from the very beginning.